Every 8 minutes, a woman in India dies because of cervical cancer. It is really a heartbreaking statistics, especially when cervical cancer is highly preventable. So what is the cervical cancer and how can we prevent it? The cervix connects the lower part of the uterus to the vagina. So cervical cancer develops when the cells here become abnormal, which is most often caused by human papilloma virus. Cervical cancer doesn't show symptoms early on. So that is why screening is very important. So who should get the screening and when? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare recommends every woman from the age 30 to 65 years should get cervical cancer screening done. Even if you feel healthy, this is the window where screening makes all the difference. So what are the tests that you can get to screen for the cervical cancer? Number 1, pap smear test. This is a very simple test. It hardly takes 5 minutes. So the pap smear test basically looks at the changes in the cells under the microscope. Pap smear is to be done every 3 years. Second is the HPV DNA test. This is the gold standard for cervical cancer. It is so effective that you have to get it done just once in 5 or 10 years. The goal is simple: to catch the pre-cancer before it becomes cancer, so that if we get to know early, there is treatment and it is highly effective and it saves millions of lives. There is a vaccine called HPV vaccine or cervical cancer vaccine, which is highly effective in protecting cervical cancer. So follow me for more women health related content.